Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. I am Dhananjay Kumar and today's session we are going to learn fundamental of C# and .NET platform. If you are planning become a .NET developer, ASP.NET developer, desktop application developer or even a Unity game developer, then this is the perfect place to start. By the end of this video, you will understand what is C#, what is .NET, the difference between C# and .NET, how a C# program executes internally, and why millions of developers use this technology. First of all, what exactly is C#? C has pronounced C# is a modern object-oriented strong type programming language developed by Microsoft. It was introduced in the year 2000 as a part of Microsoft .NET initiative. Its goal was simple: to provide developers with a language that is easy to learn, powerful, secure, capable of building every type of application. With C Sharp, you can develop desktop application, web application, mobile application, cloud application, enterprise software, game, AI application, IoT solution. One of the simplest C# programming looks like this. Console dot write line hello world. This single line print hello world on the screen. Simple, clean and easy to understand. Now let's look the reason why C# is popular. First, its syntax is simple and beginner friendly. Second, it fully supports object-oriented programming, make code reusable and easy to maintain. Third, it is strong typed. This means the compiler catch many mistakes before your program even run. Fourth, it has automatically memory management through garbage collection. Developer don't need to manually free memory. Fifth, it comes thousands of built-in library, need networking, need file handling, need JSON, need database access. Everything is already available. And finally, C Sharp is cross-platform. You can build application from Windows, Linux, and macOS using the same language. Applications of C Sharp. Now, you might ask, where is C Sharp actually used? The answer is almost everywhere. Using C Sharp, developer creates Windows application, ASP.NET Web application, Web API, mobile app with the help of .NET MAUI, cloud application, game Unity, IoT application, console application, enterprise software, AI and machine learning. Now let's understand .NET. Many beginners confuse C Sharp and .NET. They are not same things. Think of it this way: C Sharp is a language, .NET is the platform that run the language. .NET provide Everything required to build, run, and deploy application. It include CLR, base class library, compiler, SDK, development tools, application frameworks, and best part is .NET is completely free, open source, and cross-platform. Evolution of .NET. Let's quickly look at how .NET evolved over the year. In 2002, Microsoft introduced the .NET framework. It worked only on Windows. In 26, the .NET Core was in 2016. The .NET Core was launched. This was major improvement because it became open source and cross-platform. Later, Microsoft unified everything into .NET 5. Then come .NET 6, then 8, then 9, then 10. .NET architecture. You write step 1. You write C sharp source code. Then in step 2, the compiler convert your code into intermediate language or IL. Step 3. The IL is stored inside an executable or DLL file called assembly. Step 5. The JIT compiler convert your IL intermediate language code into native machine code. Finally, CPU execute the machine code. This is the entire process happens automatic. Component of .NET architecture. Let's understand this component one by one. Compiler. Check syntax. Perform type checking. Run code. Analysis. And compiler compiles to IL. What is this means? This means a compiler check your syntax error, check your types, and analyzes your code, and your compile code converted into MSIL, and MSIL code is saved or stored into your exe or DLL. So what is the MSIL code? MSIL code Microsoft Intermediate Language. Your compiled code converted into MSIL. This is also called Microsoft Intermediate Language. CPU independent code. Platform independent code. Optimized before execution. Finally, the assembly stored the IL, metadata, manifest, and the sources. So these are the component of the .NET architecture. First one is your compiler, second one is the intermediate language, and third one the assembly. So next was execution engine. Now come the hearts of .NET, the CLR. CLR stands for Common Language Runtime. It means memory, security, exception handling, thread management, program execution. Inside the CLR, the JIT compiler convert IL into native machine instruction. And another important component is the garbage collector. It automatically removes unused memory, prevent memory leak, and improving application stability. So they are the three parts of execution engine. First one is the common language runtime, second one the JIT compiler, and third one is the your garbage collector. Garbage collector is responsibility is remove unused memory, prevent the memory leak, improve stability, no manual memory management. So developers have free to memory management. So library and SDK, one of the biggest strength of .NET is its massive library ecosystem. The best class, the best class library provides ready-made class for collections, networking, files, JSON, XML, security, mathematics, database access. Then come the framework class library, which provide technology like ASP.NET, Windows Forms, WPF, .NET MAUI. Through we can develop mobile application, .NET Entity Framework Core. Finally, .NET SDK provide compiler, CLI, templates, runtime, everything required to build applications. Complete execution flow. Let's summarize complete execution process. Developer write code in C# language. The compiler compile it. Intermediate language is generated. Assembly is created. CLR loaded the assembly. JIT converters IL to convert JIT converts IL to machine code. Machine code execute on CPU and output displayed. Advantage of .NET. Why do companies love .NET? Because it is open source, cross-platform, highly high performance, cloud ready, enterprise scalable, support microservices, excellent tooling, automatic memory management, rich library supports. These advantages make .NET one of the best platforms for enterprise software development. Now, let's clear confusion. C Sharp, C Hash is a programming language. .NET is a development platform. C Sharp is used to write code. .NET compile and runs and manage the code. Without C Sharp, there's no applications. Without .NET, the application cannot execute. So both work together. Summary. Let's quickly recap today's sessions. Today we learned what C Sharp is, what .NET is, the evolution of .NET, the architecture of .NET, how C Sharp program executes, the role of CLR, JIT, compiler, garbage collector, BCL, FCL, and SDK, and finally, difference between C Sharp and .NET. If you find this video helpful, please like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to channel for more programming tutorials. The next video, creating first C Sharp application. Thank you for watching. See you on the next class. That one is first C Sharp application, how to write. Thank you.